स्वराज मेरा जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार है और मैं इसे लेकर रहूंगा. One of the most famous words by Shri Bal Gangadhar Tilak echoes inside our hearts as we are reminded of why the entire nation comes together to celebrate this auspicious day. A very good morning to our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Shashi Bala, Dean, Department of Indology, alongside Dr. Geetika Datta, Dean, BLMCE, and other dignitaries, respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, and fellow students present here. I, Ishani Mitra, Vice President of the Organizing Committee.
And I, Swapnil Tripathi, Cultural Head Boy, welcome you all to the 79th Independence Day celebration. In these 78 years of independence, India's soul has been its vibrant diversity. Throughout our voices, countless traditions, yet one heartbeat. It is a rare blessing and a deep honor to call this Mahan Janmabhoomi our home, where every culture, every language and every story becomes part of one great nation.
We stand united in freedom and in justice, land of dreams, home of the courageous. Cherishing our roots as we reach for the skies, in independence we shine, together we rise.
With this note, we would like to start our program with a welcome address by our head boy Ayush Adhikari and head girl Saranava.
Vande Mataram. We scream as we say. We bow to the mother. Yes, I screamed it, not to startle you, but so that each of you could feel it in your very soul, so that the echo of these words reminds us of the voices that once rose in defiance against oppression, voices of patriots who gave their lives so that we could stand here today, free, proud and unshackled.
Janani Janma Bhumishta, Swargadapi Gariyasi. Meaning, the mother and the motherland are greater than even heaven. Good morning, respected chief guest, principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, esteemed teachers, and our fellow students. We heartfully welcome our chief guest, Dr. Shashi Bala, Dean, Department of Indology, and Dr. Geetika Datta, Dean, BLMCE. I am Saranava, standing before you, and as head girl, it is my privilege and honor to extend a warm welcome to all of you on this proud occasion of 79th Independence Day.
And I am Ayush Adhikari, standing before you as head boy. Today, we gather not only to celebrate the birth of our nation's freedom, but also to pay tribute to the countless freedom fighters whose courage, sacrifices, and unwavering spirit gifted us the liberty we cherish today.
The history of our independence is a tale of resilience and unity. From the first war of independence in 1857 to the non-cooperation, civil disobedience and Quit India movements, our struggle was marked by the bravery of leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and countless unsung heroes. Their vision was not merely of a free India, but of a nation where justice, equality and brotherhood would flourish.
As we hoist the tricolor today, let us remember that each thread in our flag is woven with stories of sacrifice. Freedom is not just a privilege, we inherit. It is a responsibility we must uphold. As students and future citizens, it is our duty to contribute to our nation's progress, preserve its unity, and uphold the values for which our forefathers fought. Let us have a look at where we have come.
In Operation Sindoor, India showcased unmatched technological strength and strategic clarity with indigenous systems like Akash, BrahMos and loitering munitions at the forefront. We rewrote the rule book of modern warfare, proving that our self-reliance is no longer a goal, but a battlefield reality.
Today, India is the world's fourth largest economy with a GDP of $3.3 trillion and the fastest growth rate among major nations at 8.2%. We are third in global startups, self-reliant in defense, and the fourth largest renewable energy producers. Literacy stands at approximately 81%. Life expectancy exceeds 70 years, and poverty has fallen to nearly 10%. From the G20 summit to Chandrayaan 3's moon landing, we are a confident, capable, and unstoppable India.
And to celebrate that unstoppable India, let us begin today's program and recognize the struggles our ancestors went through to make sure we are here today. Thank you.
Thank you for igniting the spirit of patriotism among the audience with your powerful words. I'd now like to invite on stage our honorable Principal Ma'am to address the gathering.
Good morning, children. My greetings to Shashi ma'am, Deepika ma'am, and all the dear staff members, colleagues and students. I wish you all a very, very happy Independence Day. You know, since morning I was just sharing that you all have filled us with such a great Independence Day fervor. Your presentation, your spirits are so high today. Keep up this spirit, children. This Independence Day is not just about celebrating. It's not just a date in the calendar that you can mark, celebrate, enjoy, and have fun. It's a gentle reminder. Every year we celebrate this auspicious day. It's a gentle reminder to the sacrifice, to the courage, to the valor, to the lives that were laid by so many soldiers, so many people, so many freedom fighters. And because of them, today we breathe this clean air. We are independent. There's nobody to tell us go right, go left. So it's a very precious day for all of us. Not just celebrating, not just having a bagless day, but this is a reminder to each one of us, what can we do for our nation in our own little ways. There are so many things. आप सोचते होंगे कि वो तो बहुत वीर थे, बड़े शौरवीर लोग थे जिन्होंने अपनी जान गंवाई और पेट्रियट्स थे who fought. हम क्या करें, हम तो इतने छोटे छोटे. आप भी you can do a lot. If you have decided, if you have made up your mind, you can contribute towards this nation in n number of ways. And one important thing that I was talking to primary children is the cleanliness. Swachh Bharat, you know, how our country is recognized, dirty India. Everywhere you go is dirt, smell, bad air, polluted Delhi, sick Delhi. You know, the foreign tourism has declined considerably in this country because we are not clean. Isn't it serious, children? It's a very serious matter. We should all be ashamed. Chota tiny bit of dirt and polythenes that you use and throw it anywhere very recklessly contribute towards those big heaps of waste material that is dumped Where it is dump, have you seen those dumps, huge dumps? Where it is difficult to even cross the road. Those huge dumps of waste. So I don't think any one of us would like to walk through the dumps. A day will come soon if we keep on polluting our country, polluting, not segregating the waste, just throwing things here and there carelessly. So the day is not far when we will be beneath those dumps. Our next generation will be beneath those waste material. It's a matter to think about. Think deeply, what am I doing? So this is a very small example of what can you do for the country. आपको बंदूकें लेके वहाँ नहीं जाना बॉर्डर पे लड़ाई लड़ने, कुछ नहीं करना, खून भी नहीं निकालना अपना, बट आपको छोटे छोटे promises, promise yourself. The kites are such beautiful things here. Delhi government is announcing every day, no manja, no kata, no peka. People are getting their throats cut because of those, glass manjas that children use on Independence Day. आज तो बहुत wet है, आपकी kite उठेगी नहीं, लेकिन अगर उड़ी भी तो no manja. Just a simple fun in the sky. It should not hurt anyone. So this thoughtful ideas that you can think of. You're very creative, you're presenting such a beautiful show, you are doing it, they're taking the initiatives, teachers are taking the initiative. You can also take these small little promises, these small little vows. Today, on this Independence Day, I will not do this. Come what may. May it give a lot of happiness to me, a lot of fun, but I will not do it. This matters a lot to my country. So if you start thinking on those lines, dear children, I am sure day is not far where India is already a very progressive country. We are leading in all matters. Why should India be called dirty? We shouldn't be called dirty. So take a vow today, take a promise. Speak to yourself why we are identified. Tomorrow you are going to work in a foreign country. If you are recognized with dirty India, would you appreciate that? I'm sure no one will. No one will. So take these small words. I'm sure you all are thinking beings and you all will critically think about this problem and think about a solution. Thank you so much for the collection of dry ration that you have done. It is so impressive. Many of the children have donated rice today and we have got more than 1 quintal of rice collected today for donating. And our vow that we will not allow anybody to sleep hungry on an Independence Day. Today millions and millions of people sleep hungry. They don't have 2 square meals. So this thoughtful gesture is also from your side, your parents' side. We thank them from the core of our hearts to be so thoughtful in donation, so large-hearted in this donation. Already collected 1.5 quintal of rice to eradicate hunger. This is our small contribution towards zero hunger. Similarly, make contribution towards zero waste. So I'm sure on this day you all will take a vow and you'll contribute. You all are seniors, you all are adults. This is a senior class function. You'll think and also motivate your younger students to follow you all. Thank you so much for this patient hearing. Thank you, sir. Good morning, sir. Welcome to our sir. The manager sir is also here. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for your motivation and guidance.
Millions of voices anchored in one heart. That's the strength of our nation's spirit coming together in unity and hope. It's time to call upon our very own students from primary way and let us view the nation from the perspectives of their little minds.
एक फौजी के रुतबे से बड़ा बेवफा नहीं, पति की शान से बड़ी बुरा शान नहीं है, अपने देश से बड़ा कुछ कम नहीं।
बाद मेरे यूं ही चलना चाहिए। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए। है मुझे सौगंध भारत है मुझे, भूलूं ना एक क्षण तुझे। रक्त की हर बूंद तेरी है, तेरा अर्पण तुझे। युद्ध ये सम्मान का है, मान रहना चाहिए। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए।
What a delightful performance it was. Atite Kirtayanti ya, Bhavishya Deepayishati ya, Sa Nari Shakti Rupini, Lokasya Mangalaya Sada. She who was celebrated in the past and who will illuminate the future, that woman, embodiment of power, is ever for the welfare of the world. This verse reminds us that womanhood has always been and will always remain the embodiment of strength, compassion and resilience. Nari Shakti is a force that bridges the glory of the past with the promise of the future. She is the nurturer of life, the guardian of values and the architect of progress. Let us collectively enjoy a presentation by the students of 6 to 8 and 12 emphasizing on Nari Shakti, Kal or Aaj.
पांडवों का इंद्रप्रस्थ, आज की हमारी दिल्ली।
मैं आज की नारी हूँ। और तुम कौन?
मैं द्रौपदी, जो सशक्त थी लेकिन असहाय थी। तब स्वयं भगवान श्री कृष्ण मेरी शक्ति बनकर प्रकट हुए थे।
भगवान स्वयं?
तुम स्वयं ही देख लो।
वस्तु बची हुई है तुम्हारे पास।
सुनो भी प्रशासन, एक क्षण भी तुम न गवाओ। पंचाली के बाल खींचते हुए सभा में आओ। श्री कृष्ण सुभद्रायै
चक्रव्यूहप्रवेशस्य रहस्यं चाकुतं पार्थपुत्रस्य एकाकी कौरवैर्निर्गुणैः
ये तो मेरी कथा थी। आइए अब देखते हैं क्या आज भी वही घटित हो रहा है जो उस समय मेरे साथ हुआ था। तुम खुद सशक्त हो।
बल्कि सशक्त नारी थी जिसके साथ साक्षात भगवान थे, और आज की नारी जिसके अंदर स्वयं भगवान शक्ति के रूप में विद्यमान है। आज की नारी सशक्त है,
देश का गौरव है,
आत्मसम्मान के साथ भारत देश का सम्मान रखना भी जानती है।
What a truly mesmerizing performance by our talented students. Let's show our appreciation in another big round of applause for their hard work and spirit.
Now we'll be proceeding to the release of a newsletter for the period of February to July 2025. Newsletter Bhavitya is released biannually, covering all major events of the school, the new initiatives taken, the activities held, and the achievements of the staff and students. We would like to invite our chief guest, Dr. Shashi Bala, Dean Department of Indology, Dr. Geetika Datta, Dean DLMCE, Dr. C.K. Arya, Manager, Bhavan's Delhi Kendra, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, and co-editors from the English Department, Mrs. Mona Jain Patras and Ms. Dimpi Mathur Ma'am, on stage for its release.
Thank you to all the dignitaries. Now, music speaks to a soul. No language, no boundaries, just pure emotion. It's more than just beats and vocals. During our fight for independence, it became a symbol of defiance and hope. Legends like Rabindranath Tagore, who gave our national anthem Jana Gana Mana, and Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, whose poem became our national song Vande Mataram, use songs to unite millions and millions of people. As our choir group prepares to perform, let's remember how music has always been the carrier of voice of our nation's spirit and freedom.
I would like to invite the students from class 4th through 10th for patriotic song recitation.
पहले भी बीच में शुरू करते हैं
विद्यार्थियों ने यही गीत गाकर आज हमें देशभक्ति का अनोखा उदाहरण दिया। As we move towards the closure of the program, here we have Ramansh Dubey of class 3 to present a patriotic to fill our hearts with pride for the nation.
सर्वप्रथम मैं विद्या की देवी को नमन करता हूँ। मेरा नाम रमांश दुबे, मैं कक्षा 3 का छात्र हूँ। मैं आपको एक कविता सुनाने जा रहा हूँ। माँ भारती की स्वर्णिम माटी हमें है चंदन, माटी हमारी पूजा, माटी हमारा बंधन। वे धन्य है जो जन्मे इस पावनी धरा पर, सुखदायिनी धरा पर, वरदायिनी धरा पर। कभी राम इसमें खेले, कभी खेले नंद नंदन। माँ भारती की स्वर्णिम माटी हमें है चंदन। मेरे अवध की सरयू श्री राम को बुलाती, मथुरा में मातु यमुना कहना की गीत गाती। रुद्राभिषेक करती काशी में गंगा पावन। माँ भारती की स्वर्णिम माटी हमें है चंदन। संकट में भारती माँ गौ रूप धारती है, गोपाल की शरण में जाकर पुकारती है। गौवंश हित करेगा गौ भक्त हर समर्पण। माँ भारती की स्वर्णिम माटी हमें है चंदन। माँ भारती के सुत हैं सारे समाज बंधु, सब वर्ग बिंदु बिंदु हिंदू समाज सिंधु। एकात्मता के बल पर सब रस करेंगे जीवन। माँ भारती की स्वर्णिम माटी हमें है चंदन। जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम।
What a wonderful performance. Your words have truly raised a sense of patriotism in every single one of us. Now, we would like to call upon Harshal Gupta and Akash Roy for the vote of thanks.
A very good afternoon to everyone gathered here. I am Harshal Gupta, Cultural Head Boy.
And I am Akash Roy, General Secretary of Organizing Committee.
Today, it's not just our duty, but truly our privilege to stand here before you on this proud day for our nation.
Because you see, today isn't just another date on the calendar. It is a heartbeat of our country. 78 years of freedom carved into history by the courage of our soldiers, the unity of our people, and the dreams of our leaders. We are not here just to say thank you, we are here to honor that spirit. Our heartfelt gratitude towards our respected chief guest, Dr. Geetika Datta, Dean BLMCE, and chief guest, Dr. Shashi Bala, Dean Department of Indology.
We also thank our manager, Dr. C.K. Arya sir, for sparing their valuable time. A warm thank you to Principal Dr. Anju Tandon ma'am and Vice Principal Mrs. Dimple Jonathon, pillars of our success, success. Your support is why our dreams take shape and our talents find direction and our efforts bear fruit.
Special mention to our work experience department. You've shown that great events aren't just planned, they are built with heart. Also, thank you to our ever reliable office staff and the MTS team. Your work might be behind the scenes, but your impact is what makes the curtain rise.
A big thank you to all school appointees and teacher in charges, whose dedication turns ideas into realities. And a special thanks to Team IT and BBB MTS for making sure today's celebration could reach far and wide through YouTube streaming.
To our performers, you didn't just entertain us today, you reminded us why we celebrate. Every song, every word, and every dance on the stage was true patriotism in motion. And to the teachers who guided these performances, you haven't just trained artists, you have created moments that will stay with us forever.
And to every single person present here, your presence, your applause, your smile feels the reason we are truly alive. This program might be ending, but the spirit of independence should never fade away. Carry it in the way you speak, carry it in the way you carry it in the way you
carry it in the way you act, carry it in your heart every single day, because freedom isn't something we just inherited, it is something we have to protect always. And as long as the torch burns, so will the soul of our nation. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Thank you. Jai